Hello everyone, myself Mr.Soma. Presently I am working as a lecturer in mechanical department in Brahmadev Dada Mane Polytechnic, Belati, Solapur. Now today I am going to deliver a lecture on fundamentals of design. That is the unit 1 in the subject of elements of machine design. This is the first chapter in 5th semester mechanical engineering syllabus. So I want to deliver a simple concept on ergonomics. Ergonomics considerations in design. It is a very important concept. The designer has to keep in mind while designing any type of machine component, machine element, so that machine is easily suitable to that for particular user or man. So some of the ergonomic considerations will be taken into considerations. So the question comes, what is meant by ergonomics? The word ergonomic is coined from Greek words. Ergon means the work and the nomos means natural laws. You know, ergonomics means the natural laws of work. Okay. You see the following design considerations will taken into account. Some of the points are: it depends relation between man, that is the user, and the machine. The next, working environment. The next, the human anatomy and posture while that man using the machine, means the body structure of human, it is easily suitable with that machine or not. Obviously this point will taken into considerations, okay, while designing any type of component. The next, how many parts, means the total energy expenditures from the human carried out while working. These are the design considerations the designer has to keep in mind while designing any type of component, obviously the application of that machine. So next we'll see what is meant by man-machine relationship. Every machine cannot be working longer without the use of man, means without the help of man, that is the user, that machine cannot be working continuously. There is always man is present. So this figure shows the man-machine relationship. In that you see the information reception, obviously corrective action, information, machine control, and surrounding. It is a working environment, lighting, noise, temperature, humidity, air motion. In that figure you show the designer or the man, it can take the signal from the display unit. So when he feels, then there is a corrective action is necessary. So the correction is necessary, then he take the corrective actions to operate the control lever. This correction of man alter the performance of the machine, which will be indicated on display panel. Okay, so it is the man-machine relationship. It is very important concept, because from display instruments the operator can operate, or it can handle the performance of the machine. Okay, so next we are going to see what are the ergonomic considerations in design of control. So there is a various types of controls used are cranks, hand wheels, knobs, hand lever, foot pedal, push buttons, toggle switch, joysticks, etc. So there are number of control devices that are human is going to be work. So some of the points are considered while any type of design of a control. So first point, that is the control easily accessible, means the control should be easily accessible and logically positioned. It means the control operations should be increase minimum number of difficulties. Obviously, the second point is the shape of control. Means when design any type of controls, the shape and size of that control is easily conformed to the human being. Means it is easily operated, easy to handle. Okay. Then last point, that is the proper color. Proper color should be provided for the easily psychological attention. Means they use red color for having a gray background. Okay. So while designing any type of control devices, there is a following factors you should see. That is the controls, obviously the size and shape and color. So finally we have to see, that is the design of display controls. You know, display controls, there is again it is categorized into two analysis, that is the qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. You know, qualitative analysis. In this analysis, means in this measurement, the display is used to indicate only state. This is used only to indicate state without giving the proper value. Okay, you see the figure, that is this measurement is going to indicate only state, not giving the proper value. So finally you can see the quantitative display. Obviously the examples of quantitative display, that is a circular scale, horizontal scale. It is used to indicate perfectly value. Means it is going to directly value. The example of this type of quantitative display is the fuel indication in motorcycle, temperature indication. Obviously the example of qualitative, that is the on or off button, traffic signals, so on. Okay, so today we see the number of considerations regarding ergonomic considerations. There is one more thing, that is the aesthetic considerations. Both are the very important. Okay, thank you.